Employers still have a duty to take reasonable steps to prevent foreseeable harm to their staff and can decide what rules to apply in their own workplace in line with their risk assessments and government guidance. Current government guidance is that neither vaccinated nor unvaccinated staff are required to self-isolate. Preventing unvaccinated staff from entering the workplace will be hard to justify, especially as the legal requirement with people working in regulated care homes and the health sector have been repealed. In addition, ACAS guidance is to make vaccination compulsory, but to encourage staff to have the vaccine, for example, by giving staff paid time off to attend vaccination appointments. If you are considering imposing a policy preventing unvaccinated staff from entering the workplace or restricting their duties, it could result in claims for breach of contract, unlawful deduction from wages, or potentially constructive dismissal. It could also result in claims for discrimination on the grounds of disability or religious or philosophical belief. Some people may not be able to have the vaccine due to underlying medical conditions. And you could also face claims for breach of human rights. There are also data protection issues to consider. Vaccination records are special category data, meaning that you will need both a standard lawful basis and a special category lawful basis for processing this data. The guidance issued by the Information Commissioner states that the consent of employees is unlikely to be valid lawful basis. So you will need to be able to show that the processing is necessary for the purpose of complying with your obligations under employment law. For example, to provide a safe working environment. Whilst this is the ground that is most likely to be argued, it may be hard to justify given the government's current advice and the current direction of travel, which is to learn to live with COVID. You should carry out an assessment to consider any requirements you want to impose, why they are necessary, and whether they can be justified. Given the current guidance and advice from the government, that COVID should now be treated in the same way as flu and any other respiratory illness, it will be very difficult to justify imposing vaccine mandates for employees.